Here we are with another brief tutorial on how to make roles on Discord. You are going to assign different roles to the different members of your Discord. This is not in the least complicated, however, you might just be needing one or two points of information, and I'm here to assist. So first up, go to the top left hand side of the page where your channel icon is and right click on that. Next, go to server settings and click on roles. Once you're in roles, you have various display options to name the role, set the color, and upload an image. In the permissions tab, you can set all the permissions that this role should and shouldn't have. Can they invite members, kick them, or ban them from the server, and so forth. There are enough permissions that it needs its own search bar. We are going to skip links for now and head to Manage Members. Here you can set which members fall under this role. There you have it. You've created your first role for your Discord server. Now, if you found that helpful, leave us a like and hit subscribe. Feel free to chat with us down in the comment section below and have an awesome day.